Hello students, we are doing exercise 18.1 and today we will start from question number 5 first part. Sin 65 by cos 25 plus cos 32 by sin 58 minus sin 28 sec 62 plus cosec square 30. So first from this first term any one we have to change. So sin 65 we can write as sin 90 minus 25 divided by cos 25. Then second one, any one we have to change. So cos 32 we can write as cos 90 minus 58 by sin 58. From third term also same thing, any one we have to change. So sin 90 minus 62 and sec 62 as it is. Last cosec 30 degree we can substitute the value. Cosec 30 is 2, so it will become 2 square. Now third step, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, so it will become cos 25 by cos 25. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, so it will become sin 58 by sin 58 minus sin 90 minus theta will become cos theta. So cos 62 sec 62. 2 square is 4. Now here this cos 25 will cancel out. We will get 1 here. Sin 58 by sin 58 also will cancel out. We will get 1 minus cos theta into sin theta is also equal to 1 and plus 4. So final answer will be 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 1 then plus 4 5. Fifth second part, sec 29 by cosec 61 plus 2 cot 8 cot 17 cot 45 cot 73 cot 82 minus 3 sin square 38 plus sin square 52. So first in this first term we will change any one numerator or denominator. So sec 29 we can write as sec 90 minus 61 divided by cosec 61. Now in second term you can see we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So we will change any 2 here. So cot 8 and cot 82 are complementary to each other. So any one we will change from these two. So cot 8 we can write as cot 90 minus 82. Cot 17 and 73 are complementary to each other. So any one we will change from these two. Cot 17 we can write cot 90 minus 73. And the value of cot 45 is 1. We can substitute that value into 1. This will be as it is cos 73 cot 82. And this last one, from these two any one we will change. So sin 38 we can write as sin 90 minus 52 plus sin square 52. Now this first term sin sec 90 minus theta will become cosec theta, cosec 61 by cosec 61. So it will cancel out and you will get 1 here. Second term, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So it will become 2 tan 82. It will become tan 73. This is 1, leave it. Cot 73 and cot 82 minus 3 cos square 52 plus sine square 52. This thing will cancel out, you will get 1 here, plus 2. Tan 82 into cot 82 will become 1. Tan 73 and cot 73 also will become 1, minus 3, and the value of this bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta is also 1. Now simplify, 1 plus 2 minus 3, answer will be 0. Now sixth first part, sin 35 degree cos 55 plus cos 35 sin 55 divided by cos square 10 minus tan square 80. So from these first any one we have to change. Sin 35 as it is, cos 55 we can write as cos 90 minus 35. Then second step, cos 35 and sin 90 minus 35 we can write, divided by cosec square 90 minus 80, 10 we can write as 90 minus 80 minus tan square 80. In numerator we are trying to make it sin square theta plus cos square theta. So think in that way. First I have changed this cos, so I will get sin square 35. Same thing we have to do that side also. Try to make it cos square 35. So we can substitute value. Sin 35 cos 90 minus theta will become sin theta. So it will become sin 35 plus cos 35, and sin 90 minus theta is cos 35. Divided by, this will become sec square 80 minus tan square 80. So numerator we have sin square 35 plus cos square 35 divided by sec square 80 minus tan square 80 by second identity. Second identity we have 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So from this identity, if this tan theta we will shift another side, we will get 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So this thing we can replace by 1. So in place of this we can write here 1. Now numerator by first identity it will also become 1. 1 by 1, your answer is 1. Sixth second part, sin square 34 plus sin square 56 plus 2 tan 18 tan 72 minus cot square 30 degree. So first from these two, anyone we have to change. So it will become sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square 34 as it is. Sin square 56 we can write as sin square 90 minus 34. Now from this third term, any one we can change to tan 90 minus 72, tan 72, and cot 30 value we can substitute, that is root 3. So it will become root 3 whole square. Now here sin square 34 as it is. Sin 90 minus theta will become cos theta. So we will get here cos square 34 to tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Root 3 square will become 3. This value here to here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we will get here 1. Here this cot theta into tan theta also 1. So we will get 2. And minus 3. 1 plus 2, 3, and 3 minus 3, 0 is answer. Next question number 7, the first part. Tan 25 by cosec 65 whole square plus cot 25 by sec 65 whole square plus 2 tan 18, tan 45 and tan 72. So from this first term, we will change this cosec 65 first. Tan 25 by this 65 we can write as cosec 90 minus 25 whole square. From the second term, denominator we will change. Cot 25 will be as it is, and sec 65 we can write as sec 90 minus 25. From last term, any one 1018 or 1075 we have to change to 1090 minus 72. 1045 value is 1 and 1072 as it is. Now in this first term, 1025 by sec 25. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So it will become sec 25. Cot 25 by sec means cosec. Sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So it will become cosec 25 whole square plus 2 cot 72 1072. Here if this 10 you can change it into sin by cos, and sec is 1 by cos. Sin 25 by cos 25 by 1 by cos 25 whole square. So cos 25 will cancel out from denominator. Similarly in the second one, cot we can write as cos 25 by sin 25 divided by 1 by sin 25. Cosec means 1 by sin. So here this sin 25 will cancel out whole square. Cot theta into tan theta will become 1. So 2 into 1. Now here only we have sin 25. It will become sin square 25 plus cos square 25 plus 2. And sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 plus 2, answer is 3. Seventh, second part, cos square 25 plus cos square 65 plus cosec theta sec 90 minus theta plus minus cot theta tan 90 minus theta. So from this first bracket we will change this first one, cos square 90 minus 65. The second one will be as it is. Always remember any one we have to change. From here cosec theta is as it is, and sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. From last term cot theta is as it is, and tan 90 minus theta will become cot theta. Now here cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So we will get here sin square 65 plus cos square 65. This is our first bracket. And here cos and cosec into cosec will become cosec square theta minus cot square theta. This value is 1, and this last one also is 1 by third identity. We know 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So if this cot square theta we will shift another side, we will get 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So 1 plus 1, answer is here 2. Next question number 8. From 8th proving questions has started. In these type of question we have to take bigger side and we have to prove another side. So with the help of identities. So in this question you can see left side before equal to, this is left side, and after equal to, that is right side. We will take here left side. Always take the side which is bigger. So here left side is bigger, and we will take left side. Left side is ck plus tan a 1 minus sin a. So in these type of question normally we have to change sec, tan, sin and cos. We will not change it. So So first this sec we can write as 1 by cos, and tan we can write as sin by cos. Second bracket as it is 1 minus sin a. Now in first bracket denominator is same, cos a, so we can write it as 1 plus sin a by cos a. And second bracket we have 1 minus sin a. Now this 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a, with the help of identity a plus a minus b and a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write it as 1 square minus sin square a by cos a. 1 square is 1, 1 minus sin square a by cos a. Now 1 minus sin square a with first identity. First identity is sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. If this sin square a we will shift another side, then we will be having cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So in place of 1 minus sin square a we can replace cos square a. So we have cos square a by cos a. 1 cos will cancel out, so cos a, and you can see our right side is cos a only, so equal to right side, hence proved. The second part, 1 plus tan square a, 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a is equal to 1. So left side we have taken here 1 plus tan square a, 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a. This first bracket 1 plus tan square a, with the help of second identity we can write it as sec square a. Now second and third bracket 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a minus b, a plus b, a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So with the help of this identity we can write it is 1 minus sin square a. 1 square is 1, so we can write here 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a, as we have done in last question, is equal to cos square a. So sec square a into cos square a, and we know sec into cos is equal to 1, so it will become 1 equal to right side, hence proved. Next question number 9, tan a plus cot a is equal to sec a into cosec a. So we have taken here left side tan a plus cot a, and we will change this. Tan a we can write as sin a by cos a, and cot a we can write as cos a by sin a. Next step, we will take LCM for cos a and sin a. LCM will be here cos a sin a. Here cos a is there, so sin a we have to multiply with numerator. We will get here sin square a here plus cos square a. Now next step, with the help of first identity, sin square a plus cos square a will become 1. 1 by cos a sin a. 1 by cos a we can write as sec a, and 1 by sin a we can write as cosec a. So we got right side, proved. Next, 9th second part, 1 minus cos a, 1 plus sec a is equal to tan a sin a. So we have taken here left side, first bracket we will keep as it is 1 minus cos a. Second bracket, this sec a we can change. We can write in place of sec a 1 by cos a. Then next step we will take LCM for this bracket. 1 minus cos A, and if you take here bracket you will get cos A plus 1 by cos A. 1 minus cos A, and this thing we can write as 1 plus cos A also, because addition is commutative. We can change order by cos A. Now 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A minus B, A plus B. A minus B into A plus B, that is equal to A square minus B square. So we can write here 1 minus cos square A by cos A. 1 minus cos square A, with the help of first identity it will become sin square A by cos A. Now this sin square A also we can write as sin A into sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A will become tan A into sin A. So we got right side. Parallelly you have to check your right side also. According to our right side we have to do the changes in between. 10th first part, cot square A minus cos square A is equal to cot square A into cos square A. So here left side we have taken. First this cot square A we can write as 1 by tan square A, and this we can write as 1 by sec square A. If we take the LCM, then we will get sec square A minus tan square A by tan square A into sec square A. And with the help of second identity we have 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So from this identity, if this tan square A we will shift another side, then we will get 1 is equal to sec square A minus tan square A. So we can substitute this value, sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So we will get here 1 by tan square A into sec square A. 1 by tan square A is equal to cot square A, and 1 by sec square A is equal to cos square A. So we got right side. Tenth second part, 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus sec A is equal to sec A. Left side we have taken here 1 plus, in place of tan square A we can substitute 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So we can substitute tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. This one we have shifted another side. So replace it with this sec square A minus 1 divided by 1 plus sec A. And this 1 also we can treat as 1 square, because 1 square is also 1. So in place of 1 we can write 1 square. Now A square minus B square. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, A minus B. So in place of this we can write it sec plus 1 and sec A minus 1 divided by 1 plus sec A. Sec A plus 1, 1 plus sec A both are equal because addition is commutative. So this thing will cancel out. Now we have 1 plus sec A minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1, this one also will cancel out, and remaining is sec A. That is our right side. Tenth third one, 1 plus sec A by sec A is equal to sin square A by 1 minus cos A. We have taken your left side and right side we want sin and cos. So this sec A we will change into cos. We can write in place of sec A 1 by cos A, and denominator also 1 by cos A. In numerator if you take LCM you will get cos A plus 1 by cos A. and denominator we have 1 by cos A. So by cos A and by cos A will cancel out, and we have now cos A plus 1. Now see the right side. In right side denominator we want 1 minus cos A. So we will multiply by 1 minus cos A in numerator and denominator. Now in numerator 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A, it will become 1 minus cos square A. And denominator we have 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A with the first identity. So we have sin square A by 1 minus cos A. That is our right side. Next 10th fourth part, sin A by 1 minus cos A is equal to cosec A plus cot A. We have taken here left side, and you can see in left side we have denominator 1 minus cos A, but right side we don't want this denominator. In that case what we have to do, we have to multiply with same thing but symbol should be different. So in numerator and denominator we will multiply by 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A. If here it is minus, then we have to multiply with plus symbol. If it is plus, then we have to multiply with minus symbol to remove our denominator. Now numerator we have sin A 1 plus cos A, and denominator 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A minus B, A plus B. It will become A square minus B square. 1 minus cos square A, and with the help of first identity, this 1 minus cos square A we can write as sin square A. One sign we have in numerator, 2 sign denominator, so 1 will cancel out, and we have 1 plus cos A by sin A. Now we can split it, we can write it as 1 by sin A plus cos A by sin A. 1 by sin A is equal to cosec A, and cos by sin is equal to cot A. So we got right side. True. So if you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe and share with others also. Today we will do till here. Next video from question number 11 we will start. Thank you for watching.